Welcome to my new YouTube playlist on fixed income securities. Fixed income securities are actually quite important as an asset class. However, in many finance programs, they are not really covered in a lot of detail compared to equities. I delivered this course at Trinity College Dublin, and a part of this course was recorded. This YouTube playlist contains these recordings. In live sessions at Trinity College, we explored some more advanced topics. The playlist covers 14 different topics, starting with continuous compounding, annuities, internal rates of return, the bond market. So these are basic principles you need to understand to dive into fixed income securities. Throughout this course, I used Excel and Python for any financial modeling. My GitHub repository contains the codes and any additional material. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Then we continue exploring convexity using the Taylor expansion. We look into spot and forward rates, credit analysis, modeling of default risk, credit metrics, bond portfolio management, and we conclude with one-factor models. Now this is quite a nice course to get started, and as always, please like and subscribe. I see you next time.